Hello there, my name is Joel Levitt and I'm the principal at Senator Patrick Burns School. I'm excited for all potential students that are going to be coming to SPB in the fall of this school year. I wanted to take the opportunity to let everybody know that our school focuses on being safe, caring, and providing all of the learning opportunities necessary to find success for each learner at the school. It's an interesting place to be for students coming from the elementary perspective, because this is the place where we open up to new opportunities, where we focus in a little bit more sharply on different pieces of the learning, more in-depth views of specific subjects, specific learning in math and science, English, social studies, and to be excited about the new career and technology foundations that we provide in learning at the school. We are really happy to have the opportunity to learn Spanish in this school and to integrate the Spanish learning into every aspect at Senator Patrick Burns School. We look forward to meeting you, and we really look forward to the opportunity of learning and growing together as we prepare for the next stage of high school in just 4 short years.
Buenos días, hola y bienvenidos a Escuela Senator Patrick Burns. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our school community. If you are coming to SPB, it's because you're in the Spanish bilingual program from grade 6 to grade 9. The way that it works is for grade 6, you still have a 50% split where half of your day is done in Spanish using the target language. Your other half is in English. Once you move from 7 to 9, and the percentage of Spanish decreases to 35%, which means that you still have your Spanish language arts class, your math is done in Spanish, and then you have complementary courses that also help with your Spanish piece within the school. We are a very active community. There's lots of things going on, and it is my immense pleasure to welcome you to la comunidad de Senator Patrick Burns. Bienvenidos.
Band is great. It gives us a real sense of community and friends forever, really. It gives us a new hobby, it teaches us new things, and really it is just the perfect place to open up and be yourself.
It really helped me to get out there and be more creative. And it's really nice. The community, like the whole band, is so nice and accepting, and everyone is so kind to one another. And whenever anyone needs help, they'll ask, and anyone will go and help them, which I think is so nice. It really has a good sense of community and family. So if you're thinking about joining band, you really should.
Woodshop is lots of fun. You get to have creative input in your designs, and all safe precautions are in place.
Construction was a really enjoyable and fun class. I really liked learning new skills and how to use all the equipment to create something.
Woodshop was a great opportunity to learn new skills using construction tools. Outdoor education gives you a chance to get outside during your school day.
Outdoor ed is an option where you get to take a break from reading and writing and learn useful skills for when outdoors.
Outdoor education is a really fun course where you get to learn new skills and participate in fun and engaging activities outdoors.
Ceramics is a super fun experience. You get to learn about sculptures, you also learn different techniques and get to try them out. In the end, you get to keep your project. I would highly recommend this option.
Food was a wonderful experience as we were able to explore different types of foods. It was fun being able to work as a group to create different dishes. Foods has given us the confidence to cook at home.
I'm Grace and I go to Senator Patrick Burns. And one of the best things about middle school at SPB is that we get to join the leadership club. This is an amazing opportunity because we get to plan some super cool school events, keep track of the score at some of our home sports games and tournaments, and even attend some amazing events like the anti-bullying hockey game. This is a great way to make new connections with the teachers and students around our school, and it is led by the most amazing teachers at our school, which is why I love the Leadership Club.
What's the best part about our physical education program at Senator Patrick Burns School?
I love getting to use the big gymnasium, the ping pong tables, also the squishy gym, and even the rock climbing wall as part of our physical education. And in general, the gym is so much fun, the teamwork, the new activities we try, and it's amazing. Yeah.
What's the best part about being in a middle school?
My favorite part about going to middle school are all the teams you get to try out for. My first year at SPB as a grade 6er, the girls soccer team won the championship. You can also try it for different teams such as volleyball, wrestling, cross country, soccer, and basketball.
At SPB, we have different sports teams. I tried out for basketball and made it. I made lots of friends in different grades, played in tournaments, and even got pizza.
Here at Senator Patrick Burns School, grade 9 students have been offered a wonderful field trip experience by going to the Banfield Marine Science Center. At the center, they have been exposed to a variety of rich learning experiences that link directly to the grade 9 science curriculum. These experiences include working with experts in the field of marine biology, also learning about the land from an indigenous perspective.
Our yearly trip to Spain is one of the highlights of our school year. It is open to all students from the bilingual program as well as our English community students, and both sets of students find it equally beneficial and rewarding. We visit the city of Madrid as well as 3 smaller towns through a combination of day trips and overnight stays. We visit a school and get to spend time with students of the same age who attend a local school in the town of Salamanca. Those students make friendships with our kids, and those friendships continue for a life. We've actually had students go over and spend summer vacations with the students that they met during our trip, so it really is a very enriching experience.
El viaje que hacemos a España desde SPB es uno de los más importantes y los más gratificantes que yo he hecho nunca como docente, porque he podido comprobar cómo a los estudiantes les sirve para poner en contexto toda esa lengua que están aprendiendo en el aula a través del conocimiento de la cultura y de la arquitectura, de la gastronomía españoles. Además de la oportunidad que tienen ellos para conocer a gente de su misma edad, con el contacto que tenemos con una escuela de España y descubrir lo importante que es el hablar una segunda lengua, el hablar español, para poder viajar y para poder conocer a gente de todo el mundo.
We hope that you've had a great opportunity to go through this video and to meet a few of the teachers and few of the students as they've given their perspectives on what it is to be a student at SPB. We truly look forward to seeing you in the fall and look forward to working with you over the next few years as we prepare for high school and beyond. Welcome to SPB.